Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Elinye iplayer bafethu elikhulumayo ukuthi bamblocka ukuthi aye ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so ukhuluma nge-agent lakhe ukuthi alizange lenze i-follow up. Kaizer Chiefs ithi kudala imfuna, even a former Kaizer Chiefs coach wamtshela laphana kuBafana Bafana ekhempini ukuthi wena besikufuna ku-Kaizer Chiefs. What happened? Yabo? Uyasho ukuthi into vele obvious ngeke into imphathe kahle if izinto zenzakale kanje. Igama le-player bafethu uTebogo Xolane. O-versatile, udlalile kuma-club a-different laphana ku-P_S_L, but at the moment akanayo i-club umfana. Uthi wayesekhempini laphana kuBafana Bafana bebamtshela about ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs beyimfuna, but i-agent lakhe limlethe down. I mean, lento le seyiba kusho ukuthi serious ngempela. Maningi ama-player bafethu abhlokhwayo ukuthi ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs, because I think 3 weeks back bengilalele nomunye wase-Cape Town akhuluma same things, uMzwakali noma ubani. Bengilalele naye ukuthi wablockeka kanjani ukuthi ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs. So maningi ama-player abawabhlokhayo, whether bablokhwa ama-team direct or bablokhwa ama-agent asazi ukuthi why. So lo mdlali lona udlala i-wing aphinde adlale futhi i-attacking midfielder, so u-versatile nje ngempela. Uke waba khona nakuBafana Bafana kancane, I think u-scored a-10 so yeah. Ube nama-4 appearances, udlalile naku-Orlando Pirates naku-Maritzburg United, but i-career yakhe never really took off. But last team yakhe i-Golden Arrows ngo-2023. Yeah. Ayiziyakhala ebholeni bafethu, ayiziyakhala because kunamapolitiki amaningi. Uthina sibukela ibhola nje, but-ke kunamapolitiki amaningi behind closed doors. Why would an agent block umuntu from ukujoyina i-team? Or khona ama-agent atshelile ukuthi asisebenzi nale team le, ngeke sisebenze nayo because of bafuna maybe uku-scammer i-team. I-team when teams try and stand tall or stand firm ukuthi okay, we won't do this, and then-ke bathi sisoqala-ke ukubacindezela overall. Why? But yeah, this is sad ngoba iy'mpilo zabantu at the end of the day. uXolane-ke i-career yakhe yaqala kuJomo Cosmos, but wa-release laphana 2018, and then wajoyina i-Chippa United 2019, and then-ke wasayinwa i-Orlando Pirates just before ilokhunjanini corona noma i-pandemic. 2019, yeah, wadlala isizini or so, and then bamlona ku-Maritzburg United around 2020. But yeah, njengoba bengishilo i-career yakhe never really took off umfana, but-ke sometimes uma udlalela i-team enkulu uyacindezeleka because of ziningi izinto. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi udlalile ku-Orlando Pirates, but Orlando Pirates azange asithole vele leso sikhala leso. Yeah, him not joining Kaizer Chiefs, it's sad ukuthi but-ke naye utheni konje, una-30, uzokwenza 31 this year, I think December or so, but uyasho ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa because of bakhona oshabalala bake bayana overseas bano-33, so naye akalilahli ithemba. Yeah, asindlule kule ndaba zakamfana as-sad. Cape Town Spurs bafethu ikhiphe i-structure sokuthi abafana kumele bakhokhe malini manje ukuzodlalela i-Cape Town Spurs kwi-development yakhona. Imagine bafethu, over 30,000 ngonyaka just nje ukuthi udlale nabo laphana. Hayi, ayisekho-ke indaba ye-Ajax Cape Town. I-Ajax Cape Town by the way into eyodwa ne-Cape Town Spurs manje sebazokubhadalisa abafana. Cabanga nje umuntu oyedwa ubhadala over 30,000 over 10 months kuphela, cause bathi every month kumele ubhadale 2,800 every month for 10 months, le 28,000. On top of that, ukhokha ilokhunjani i-3,450 for i-annual registration. That's like over, kusho ukuthi it's around 32,000 or so, 31,000 something ngonyaka ukuba nje ku-development. Unengane na-10 ebhadala 31,000, and akusiyo kuphela leyo 31,000, bathi-ke i-VAT noma ngithi i-tax uyakhokhela wena eceleni. Kusho ukuthi we're talking about over close to 40,000 ozospenda enganeni, and then usazoyithengela i-kit, usazoyithengela ama-cox, usazoyithengela baku-travel zonke lezi zinto lezi. I-sad ukuthi it really yeah, it came to this ngempela. So bonke abantu or iy'ngane ey'ncane manje ezifuna ukudlala ibhola laphana e-Cape Town, so kumele y'khokhele ukuthi bona batholanga imali ngovele bayi ngo-Batman, ngo-Liam Ben, le mali le bebayifuna. Bayingakhi abantu abasazodlala ibhola if kuzodlalwa kanye? Kusho ukuthi bona if they're turning this thing to i-money making machine, ukuthi iy'ngane y'bhadala o-35,000 to 40,000 ngonyaka just ukuthi babe lapha ethimini, ingane what about abafana baselanga basekhaya elitsha abafuna ukudlala ibhola professionally or abalazi ibhola but they can't afford to pay over 35,000 ngonyaka just nje ukudlala ku-academy and you're not even guaranteed ukuthi uzoba yi-success. Bathi-ke lana laba abafuna uma bayi-break-a down bathi nge-hour nje ukujima laphana ku-Cape Town Spurs i-R100. Cabanga. Bathi bona benza lokhu ngoba bafuna uku-make-a sure ukuthi only the elitist players make it to the development and no lento le abantu into ezokwenzeka-ke manje out of yonke le situation le kuzongena abantu abanemali kuphela, right? Meaning that laba abanganamali but abafuna ukudlala ibhola ngeke bathole i-opportunity ukuthi badlale ku-academy yakhona. There is no way abafana baselokishini ba-afford ukudlala ukukhokha imali engaka. Even if not waselokishini, why would I pay 40,000 ukuthi ingane yami idlale ibhola? On top of that ngisakhava nezinye izinto. Yeah, this is sad. Maplayer Mamelodi Sundowns bafethe Sismu Vautry, uSantos, uMatthews noReyners bakhona ku-top 10 yamaplayer abizayo or a-rated kakhulu lana e-Africa. So uNuno Santos cabanga e-Africa yonke u-number 3 because i-value yakhe is close to 50 million rands. I-true market value by the way. Hhayi lama market value ama-team abazenzela wona. 2.3 euros, I think, yeah. So that's close to 50 million. That's not even close to 50 million. That's over 50 million rands in terms of value. Then Matthews 2.1 million euros. That's like 40 something or 50 million or so. Lapho nje. And then you come Reyners and 1.8. That's like among converts, I think last time we come Reyners but with 40 something million. So yeah, ayadura amaplayer weMamelodi Sundowns in terms of like market value and stuff. Mawufuna bona nje awusenkingeni. Senkingeni ngeke kube lula ukuthi ubathole because of abekho cheap bayadura. And le just nje i-market value yalezi zinto lezi zabo ama-predictions. iMamelodi Sundowns nayo ine-value yayo ukuthi abafana bona baba-value kanjani and baba-valuisha omalini. So yeah, but yeah, it shows ukuthi ilokhunjani abafethu iMamelodi Sundowns babhilde i-team e-strong because mawubheka overall bane-team e-strong kakhulu. Cause yeah, okay, kusho ukuthi i-Com Rainers around 35 million rands and then-ke ulona Matthews uyo close to 40 million and then Nuno Santos 40 something million naye. Yeah, bane-team e-strong e-powerful enabantu abadurayo kakhulu bafethu hhayi indaba yokudlala. So there's no reason, that is why mesikhuluma ngeMamelodi Sundowns isikhathi esiningi or mina mengikhuluma ngeMamelodi Sundowns siba-rate high number 1. And then there's no reason ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns or i-team ene-powerful squad kanje and then ilose to Omakis. That is why even bona mabeluza bayaqala ukuphenika because bane-squad uthola ukuthi bane-player eliyi-1 elilodwa bafethu elingathenga i-team yonke, i-value ye-player elilodwa elingathenga i-team yonke. Engiyibuza yona enye ukuthi if i-value kaNuno Santos yenkulu kunawo wonke amaplayer emhlabeni ulona u-Arthur Salas i-value yakhe yehlile compared to le value abamthenga ngayo kuMamelodi Sundowns, kaze bazoyenza naye return ku-investment if Arthur Salas performa kahle uyabuyela overseas or cause ayikho i-team ezothenga u-Arthur Salas ngo-60 something million le bona bamthenge ngayo ukuthi bamlethe la e-South Africa unless if uperforma kahle kakhulu sazi ukuthi kuzomthatha isikhathi esingakanani. But yeah, good powerful squad overall. Market value yabo igudi kakhulu bafethu. Sibheke-ke sine-match enkulu iMamelodi Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates this weekend. Sobona kuyoba nzima kakhulu bafethu. Ulokhunjana ubani uMuremi if uzodlala kule side lakwa-left uzobhekana noMudau. It's not easy ukudlala against uMudau. I think it's one of the hardest thing for ama-wingers ukuthi adlale against uMudau. So I think kumele ba-target-e elinye isayidi, mhlampe isayidi labo yeah, i-right hand side, right back, cause i-left wing kumele ba-target-e mani i-left back aboModiba, cause uMuda yi-war, akukho lula bafethu ukuthi udlala against loya muntu loya and ukwazi ukuwina ama-duels. It's very very difficult cause uyi-superstar uMjida, akadlali akudluli muntu laphana isikhathi esiningi. So yeah, I think they have to come with a different plan laphana ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi bazowina kanjani, nanokuthi bazozama ukuthi lese bathola ama-results kanjani. But overall they are capable of winning the game. I think le game lena izoba difficult kakhulu to one of the best teams in South Africa for the past couple of years in terms of like i-dominance, ama-cups, Mamelodi Sundowns ngabe i-dominated ikini, bahlezi be-present laphana ku-CAF Champions League. Siyazi ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates missed out this season, which is sad, but yeah, they played ibhola eli-strong ngempela, banama-player good lesi yabo apolisi, abantu abakhompyutha local and even ku-international level kuBafana Bafana. So iMamelodi Sundowns nayo ine-squad esikhwali good uTeboho Mokoena laphana esiswini. Orlando Pirates siyazi ukuthi isquad sabo unpredictable, asazi ukuthi kuzodlala bani, kuya ngocoach ukuthi on the day ne-match uyiprepare-la kanjani, cause Sipho Mbuli isikhathi esiningi uqala ebhentshini laphana ku-Orlando Pirates but kuBafana Bafana uqala ama-match. So sabona ukuthi i-game zohamba kanjani eLoftus, but last time Orlando Pirates iya eLoftus yathola 4, but-ke bekuno-Lucas Ribeiro, then Lucas Ribeiro ashaya 2 goals yedwa and then yahlupha kakhulu kuleya game le. So bona nje ukuthi izinto zizobahambela kanjani this time around bebe laphana eLoftus. It's gonna be a tough game. Ayizoba tough bafethu i-game yakhona. But yeah, I think kuyoba i-test just for i-Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns, i-test ucoach wakhona ukuthi abonise ukuthi okay, they are winning the league again, they're gonna be a big problem again, or i-Orlando Pirates izobonisa ukuthi okay, Mamelodi Sundowns, we're coming for your spot in terms of winning the league. We have to win the league this time around. Mhlampe bazosho kanjalo ezi-Orlando Pirates cause i-cup Orlando Pirates kumele ilwine ngempela-ke manje i-league cause they out of i-Champions League, bafocus ku-league ukuthi kumele bawine i-league. Bahluleka ukuwina i-league, bangeke batravele kangaka, then i-season yabo yobonakala as i-flop. Imagine ulokhu njani awutraveli kakhulu, i-fatigue ayikho, ama-jet lag awekho, uhlezi u-around nje local, amanye ama-teams leseya-travel kufana neMamelodi Sundowns iphinde ibuye futhi iwine i-league ubukhona, that will be just a disaster for Orlando Pirates. But-ke sithemba ukuthi they will respond well. I mean bakwazile ukushaya i-team 2-0, baresponde kahle kakhulu laphana ku-Carling Knockout. They could possibly win i-treble this season or even more cause kusele i-league, i-Nedbank Cup, i-Carling Knockout. So kusasele they can win 4, asazi-ke 4 maybe stretch, but yeah, they are expected ukuthi bawine ama-cup different this season, this time around, because of commitment yabo e-CAF Champions League ayisekho at all this season. So bona ukuthi bazodlala kanjani overall bafethu. What a journey for Orlando Pirates, what a year, what a season. Yeah, kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Again, at the same time Mamelodi Sundowns standard sabo si-high kakhulu nabo, bona-ke bafuna ukuwina i-Champions League, the big one. Themba Zwane ku-interview ushilo nje ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns they wanna win the big one, which is i-CAF Champions League. Is it gonna be possible? Konke kulele kube ezi-team ukuthi bazokwazi ukusizana, badlale eze-team, badlale eze-collective, bakwazi ukudeliver ama-results. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningekhohlwa ukulike, subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Marumo Galanti ishaye 4 goals ku-Carling Knockout. Marumo Galanti ayidlali, cabanga ngishaya i-Stelis 4 i-reach ama-semi-finals. Bafisela inhlanhla nabo badlala kahle kakhulu.